Okay, lesson number 6, nominal groups. Before you begin, here are the key words that you will need to understand for this lesson. A nominal group is made up of different functions. Look at the nominal groups in this sentence. The southern cassowary is a large, flightless bird with unusual feathers. Cassowary, bird, and feathers are all things. The thing is the main noun in the group. Things are always nouns. But the same class can have different functions. So in this sentence, there are 4 adjectives. But these adjectives have different functions. You can say a very large bird, but not a very flightless bird. You can say very unusual feathers, but not a very southern cassowary. Why? Because they have different functions. You see, large and unusual are describing adjectives or epithets, whereas southern and flightless are classifying adjectives or classifiers. Starting with the thing, the words to the left give it new meaning. So starting with the noun bird, what type of bird? A flightless bird. Describe the flightless bird. A large flightless bird. Now what if there were 2 birds? In that case, we can add a numerative to the group. And the function that comes before the numerative is the deictic. The deictic shows whether the thing has the potential to be identified in the text or context. If the thing is already known or can be known, we use specific deictics such as the, this, these, and those. If the thing is unknown, we usually use a non-specific deictic such as a or an. Okay, this is a very simple explanation of the deictic function. It's a lot more complex than this, but I've tried to keep it simple. So in this lesson, we've seen that nominal groups can pack a lot of information in a small package. In the next lesson, you will see how nominal groups function to express things in the world.